How to start earning commissions on the Nike affiliate program. Now, the very first thing that we want to do is we'll have to look and use for a specific affiliate marketing network website. And the one that I'm going to be providing you is actually CJ. So all I have to do it first is, of course, open up any reliable browser that you can use on your end, and then just head straight into cj.com's affiliate program website. So for you to be able to get started, just simply click on this link right here for you to be able to successfully create an account. And from here, all I have to do is choose on publishers and influencers partner with the world's best brands and choose to sign up. Now, what you're going to be using is just your general information, such as the language, the country you're in, email address that is actively working, and your password. Now, once you've successfully created an account with CJ Affiliate Program, all I have to do next is just to locate on a certain brand that's going to be Nike. You just have to follow on and provide necessary documents that needed for you to be able to successfully publish any specific products directly from the Nike official website. Now that's it. That is how you start earning commissions on the Nike affiliate program.